Onye Uwa, the role of a reincarnator in Igbo spirituality. In Igbo spirituality, the concept of reincarnation is integral to understanding the cycle of life and death. The presence of Onye Uwa is central to this belief, as it refers to a reincarnator who embodies the continuous journey of a soul through various lifetimes. Onye Uwa, referring to a reincarnating spirit that serves as a guide for each person in their current lifetime, is equally an intricate aspect of a person's chi in Odinani. Let's explore the role of Onye Uwa in Igbo spirituality and its significance in the broader context of Igbo beliefs on existence, ancestry, and the afterlife. Who is Onye Uwa? Onye Uwa, which loosely translates to one who returns to the world, refers to a soul that reincarnates into the physical world after death. This belief is rooted in the Igbo view that life is cyclical and death is merely a transition rather than a final end. Onye Uwa plays an important role in maintaining the continuity of this cycle, carrying forward the legacy, wisdom, and unfinished business of past lives into the current one. The cyclical nature of life and death. In Igbo cosmology, life and death are seen as continuous and cyclical processes where each life phase has immense spiritual significance. Onye Uwa as a reincarnating spirit is central to this cycle, to ensure that knowledge and spiritual lessons are passed down through generations. This cyclical process is believed to support the spiritual evolution of the soul and the collective wisdom of the community. Roles and responsibilities of Onye Uwa. Number 1. Spiritual continuity. Onye Uwa bridges past and present lives, bringing forth knowledge and spiritual insights that have been accumulated over multiple lifetimes. This continuity is important for spiritual health and identity of the community, as it strengthens the link between ancestors and current generations. Number 2. Karmic resolution. One of the fundamental roles of Onye Uwa is to resolve karmic debts from previous lives. This involves correcting past mistakes and fulfilling unmet obligations, which is believed to purify the soul and advance its spiritual progress. Number 3. Cultural preservation. Through the process of reincarnation, Onye Uwa contributes to the preservation of cultural values, traditions, and practices. The reincarnator ensures that cultural heritage is maintained and adapted appropriately across generations by embodying the spirits of ancestors. Number 4. Mediation between worlds. Onye Uwa acts as a mediator between the spiritual and physical worlds. This role is important when it comes to community rituals and private spiritual practices where the guidance of ancestors is sought after. And number 5. Guidance. Onye Uwa serves as a spiritual guide, using deep ancestral knowledge and experience to advise the person it is assigned to. This guidance is particularly important in helping individuals understand complex life situations, interpret spiritual signs, and make decisions that align with both their personal destiny and communal responsibility. Signs and recognition of Onye Uwa. Identifying a reincarnator or Onye Uwa within a community typically involves recognizing certain signs and characteristics that indicate a deep spiritual connection or resemblance to known ancestors. They may include physical resemblance. Striking physical similarities to a deceased relative can be a sign of reincarnation, including birthmarks or scarification placements. Behavioral traits. Exhibiting behaviors, skills, or preferences that closely mirror those of departed family members. And spiritual signs. Experiencing dreams or visions related to past lives, or having an innate understanding of certain spiritual truths and practices. Cultural significance and modern perspectives. While traditional beliefs in reincarnation remain strong, contemporary interpretations of Onye Uwa also consider psychological and metaphorical dimensions of reincarnation. For some, the concept of Onye Uwa symbolizes the psychological imprint of ancestors on one's personality, rather than a literal reincarnation. While for others, the concept of Onye Uwa can barely be distinguished from the concept of Chi. The modern view, which combines both views, can allow believers to explore the influence of genetic memory and familial traits on their personal and spiritual development. In conclusion, the concept of Onye Uwa in Igbo spirituality offers a nuanced view of life, death, and rebirth. It underscores the connection between all phases of life, the importance of fulfilling one's duties, and the value of ancestral wisdom. Onye Uwa enriches the Igbo understanding of the soul's journey and highlights the immense impact of ancestral heritage on living communities. This belief not only deepens the spiritual life of Igbo people, but also provides a broader perspective on the cycles of life that resonate universally across cultures and beliefs. Thank you for listening. If this teaching sparked a thought or made you feel something, I'd love to hear it. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it to someone who you think will appreciate it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new releases. You can also check out the full written piece on the website linked in the description below. Until next time, Yagazie.